So I'm putting the headers on, and people are asking what I'm using for headers. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me see here. Patriot. Yeah. Anyway, that's what my son bought for this engine. He did buy some chrome ones, but the chrome ones did not fit at all. So I guess I'm going to use these because they actually fit the engine. So anyway, we'll put these on and see what happens.
Hey guys, I hope everybody's staying safe out there. I apologize for taking so long to get a video uploaded. Anyway, I guess sometimes life gets in the way and we can't upload the videos as fast as we'd like to. But anyway, as you've seen in the first of this video, I am installing the headers finally, and the passenger side, no problem. It was quite easy to put on. The driver side, there was a little more work involved, and that's no fault of the header. It's just because my son ordered these headers for his S10 project. And on the S10s, the motor mounts are directly across from one another, so there's no issues. There's lots of clearance there. On this truck, the driver's side motor mount is moved back, I'd say a good 2.5 inches at least, and because of that, the header was hitting the the motor mount, and I'm talking about the mount on the frame. It was hitting that, so I had to actually take the mount off. I had to modify the mount slightly because it was touching part of the motor mount, but it was also, once I got that done, it was also hitting, when I set it down, it was touching the top of the mount on the frame also. So I had to take the grinder and take about I'd say a good 1/4 inch off the top of the motor mount. So I have a good, probably a little bit more than a 1/4 inch clearance now, so it should be fine now. I don't foresee any problems there. Anyway, and that's not the fault of the header. It's just that that header was ordered for a different type of truck. Now, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these headers on the truck because on the driver's side, I had one spark plug that came out and was almost like directly in line near with the exhaust pipe. So when I went to put the new coil wires on, the coil wire was actually, the boot was actually hitting the exhaust pipe, and it was like hard to get on. So I don't know if I'm going to try and modify the coil wire. Maybe switch it, instead of coming straight out, put a 90 on it. I have 90s there, so I may turn it into a 90, and that may eliminate it touching the pipe at all, but I'll see. Hopefully I can do that, because I'd rather just leave these headers on. If they work fine, and just leave them on. So, but yeah, this side here, the driver's side, was quite a bit of work. It would have been easier just to order the proper headers for it, but headers aren't cheap. So, well, I shouldn't say that. You can get cheap headers, and sometimes you get what you pay for. So anyway, but yeah, there was a little bit of modification to do here to get it to fit right, but it wasn't a big deal. I got them to fit on all right, and I think they'll be fine. I'll know once I get it running and driving if anything's hitting or vibrating. So anyway, I hope everybody is enjoying the videos. There is some pictures here at the end of this video on the finished installation, and I think it turned out pretty good. I think it looks alright. I'm not sure if I'm going to paint this truck or not. I'm not sure about color choices either. I was thinking about leaving it white, and I'm not sure. Maybe I'll paint it black. I don't know. Anyway, if any of you guys want to chime in on what color you think this truck should be, it would be interesting to hear your input. Because I'm really not sure. I'll probably leave it white for a while, and maybe I'll even drive it like this for this year, and then just paint it maybe next winter or something, or next spring in a year's time. But anyway, I hope you are all staying safe. I hope you're enjoying the videos. There's going to be some more. I believe the next one I'm going to do is on I'll be installing a set of wires and new spark plugs. I think that's the next one, and I do have some video recorded on the wiring, so I am getting into the wiring now. So there'll be some videos coming up on that here very soon. Anyway, it should be fun. Everybody stay safe, and we'll talk to you again on the next video. Bye for now.